Today we will introduce the front spot lifting device. The front spot lifting device is the core component of press brake for efficient and high precision processing in door industry production. Door industry products are diverse, and the front spot lifting device can store different parameters through programming and quickly switch to meet the bending requirements of different door types. For door panels with multiple bends or special shaped structures, the process lifting of the stop device can cooperate with multi-step processing. The stopper device directly affects the molding quality, production efficiency, and consistency of door products, and is indispensable in mass customized production.